Adding security roles in Ausuma. The first step before adding system users is setting up roles for the users. I've already created an administrative user. As you can see, I gave this role access to all the company modules. Next, I'll bring you through the steps of creating a basic user role. In the main menu, expand the security menu and click on Role Setup. Click on New Role, then add a role name and a description of the role. When you're done, press the Submit button. The new role will appear in the Role menu. Now we need to set up the access that this new role will have. In the main menu, expand the security menu and click on the Role Setup access. Press the button with your new role. On the right-hand side will be all the modules that your company has access to. You can choose role access to any of these modules. We'll start with just a basic role to enable access to the contacts. There are a few entries under the Contacts menu. Since creating contact types should be left to someone with management access, we'll only be selecting Customer Vendor and Reports. Then press the Save button. If the role you set up or modified is part of a role that you have assigned to your profile, you'll need to log out in order for it to take effect. Now that you've set up a role, you can add a new user. Watch our next video on adding a new user to see how these roles restrict what the users have access to. Thank you for using Ausuma, and be sure to check out the other videos that we have for setting up the other modules within Ausuma.